Hi guys, my name is Red. Technically, this will be my first time doing this kind of stuff like vlogging or being a content creator, and hopefully na i-follow nyo ako. Um, it's also my first time working as a VA, so hopefully mag-continue at maging successful tayo. So this content is all about my VA journey. So technically, this is the third day of our training. They said, or our boss said, that this might take like 5 days of training and then salang na. So my role here is an appointment setter. As an appointment setter, or we book patients sa mga doctors for consultations. So hopefully makabook tayo na marami para makarami tayo ng kaching. Okay, guys, mag-start na yung meeting. So I'll get back to you para i-update ko kayo, because after the meeting I believe it's gonna be like since this is the third day, it's gonna be the call listening na, and then after call listening, after feedbacks, baka iano na nila kami sa lunch or sa lunch break na. After lunch break, hopefully isa lang na nila kami, like an hour or two. I don't know if meron pang mga calls or magde-decide na si boss na tuloy na sa calls. Okay, I'll get back to you and stay tuned. Bye bye. Kasi inom lang ako ng tubig. Ang ginagawa namin ngayon is more on call listening. I'll be back. Nasa meeting pa rin guys, and sabi ng boss mag-lunch pa rin daw kami. So start ng break is 2:30 AM hanggang 3:30 AM. Guys, during lunch ang ginawa ko lang is i-upload ito, since phone lang ang gamit ko. Ginagawa ko is gagawa ko ng intro, and then yung mga time lapse habang nagmi-meeting kami, and then yung lunch break ko. Wala akong ginawa sa lunch break kundi ayusin yung video na i-content ko ngayon. So 3:33 na, balik na tayo sa meeting. Like the boss said, ano na siguro, salang na kami, and sana makabook. Just pray for me. Thank you. I'll get back to you guys. Summer, come here, come here, come here. Hello. Yeah, say hi. Hi guys, this is Summer, ang aking bunso. Naka-diaper ka ba? Very good. Naka-diaper siya. Hanggang mo nang gising? 4:15. Where's mommy? Where's mommy? Kiss na. Baka na lang. Huwag si Papa. Ayun guys, 1 hour tayo nag-call, tapos na yung shift. Unfortunately, book yata yung 0. So, bukas babawi tayo. Hopefully kahit isa man lang or dalawang book tayo bukas. So again, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and then subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you so much guys. Good morning.